Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to introduce with one of the best international money transfer website which is 100% trusted and well verified. So without any delay, let's get started. First you have to go to Wonder Union website, link in the description. So where you come in this website, you will saw this type of page, and here send money 24 hours by 24 hours by 7 days around the world. Whether you need to transfer money to friends down the street or family across the globe, Western Union gets your funds there quickly and reliably. Send money quickly. Convenient way to send and receive money. There are three types of sent money requests. First one is sent online. Second one is sent with our app. Third one is sent in person. In send online, login or sign up and create your profile for free to send money online. Second one is send money, pay bills, check exchange rates or start a transfer in the app and pay in store, all on the go. Third one is sent in person. Transfer money in person from more than 57,000 Western Union US agent locations. First you have to sign up to start sending money. Quick and easy sign up. It is easy to sign up and start sending money reliably. Track your transfer. Pick the way you like. Pay online using your bank account, credit, debit card, cash in store. So why their customer made millions of transfer with Western Union last year? Here is why. Ease and convenience. Send money in the way that is convenient for you online. With their app, in person at an agent location. Commitment to security. Their encryption and fraud prevention efforts help protect your Western Money Union transfers. Third one is they are international. They move money from the US to over 200 countries and territories. Fourth one is get rewarded with the MyWE program. Become a MyWE member to earn and redeem points for discounts on your Western Union money transfer. After all of this, you are ready to get started with Western Union. Click on Get Started and wait for a while. After wait for a while, there will be a page with creator. You have to create a profile with first name, last name, mobile number which is optional. Third one is email address, and last one is create your password. After all this, click on continue, and it will show you this type of page where you can receive country and send amount. There are more than 200 countries there, which you can see here. Look at this. There are more than 200 countries, and in there you can send amount, and in this page you can receive amount. There are more than 7 ways you can pay online or receive cash in online. There are cash pickup, bank account, mobile wallet and Visa. Also in credit card, debit card and bank account. After doing all of this, you click on continue and you will successfully can able to exchange your money online very easily and safely. After all of this, you can receive your money within 0 to 4 business days. Here is the information belongs to the page, and after all this, you are successfully have exchanged your money and enjoy it. So that is for today. I think it will be a helpful video for my viewers, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe it if it is help you a bit of one. Okay, goodbye. Thanks for watching.